Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Today's video is regarding Ashford Hospitality, which has the ticker symbol of AHT. And if you know already or you haven't seen the chart, look what happened. So Friday it was down by 8.5%, and after hours it was down by 27%. So in total almost 35% down on a single day. So the big question is, should you get in? Is it a falling knife? Should you stay away or wait for this to get the bottom, or should you just buy it and just make a quick swing trade because it was down by 35% on a single day? Is it a very good opportunity because of people's overreaction? So you buy the dip and sell high and make some money. So in this particular video I'll talk about the news, what happened, why it came down, what is the technical analysis, support, resistance, at the same time some other news which you might be interested. If you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And also I was off for last few days because I went for a vacation, but I'm back finally and let's make some money together. So first of all, this is the chart. The current price after hours was 2.89, and that was what's happening. No, so the thing is, what happened? So on Friday 4 p.m., right? So they announced a reverse stock split. That was the big thing, right? So their board of directors approved a reverse split for company's stock at a ratio of 1:10. So basically, if the price is $2, it will become $20. If the price is $3, it will become $30. At the same time, the number of shares you are holding, it will be cut by 10. So basically, the total cost would be the same, but your number of share will be divided by 10. At the same time, the price per share will be multiplied by 10. Now that was the news. And what else? So the reverse stock split will effective as the closing of business on July 16, and the common stock is anticipated to commence and everything. So on July 16 it will be completed, and on July 19 you will see the change. But why they did it? So they gave some point. The split will be meaningful increase AHT's market price per share above $5 threshold required by many institutions to hold shares. So there are many institutions, if they want to buy some share, the minimum price level has to be more than $5. So they are saying that it will help the institutions to buy more. Also, some brokers limit the ability to increase the cost to margin a stock under 5 per share. So there are many brokers, if the share price is less than $5, then you get less margin. At the same time, you have to pay more money. So again, this is for helping some brokers. So the price is more than 5, so they increase the cost to margin. Also, having option strike increment of 50% of the stock price has made option trading on AHT shares less attractive. So if the share price is $3, then what options you will see? You will see a strike price of 2.5, 5, 7.5. So it's not good. But if the share price is, let's say, 20, in that case you will see strike price of 18, 19, 20, 21, 23. So definitely on the option side it will also help them. So that, and also they talked about some other things, the high transaction cost as a percentage of AH's stock price commission. So anyway, that was the reasoning. Now the thing is, some people like this, some people don't like it, but definitely there was a huge reaction. It was down by 27% after market. And again, you could interpret it as two things. One could be this is an overreaction, and definitely when the market will be open on Tuesday morning, it will go back up, or maybe this is a falling knife, it might come even more. So do not catch falling knife, right? So we are going to talk about the support, resistance, the chart and everything, and also we will see some recent days of price action. And by the way, if you're subscribed or not subscribed, we have a community tab here on my channel. If you join and pay $3 per month, which is 10 cents per day, you will get member specific posts. Like for the members, I post sometime you will see that some posts are only for the members. I talked about AM80 because it was trading in Canadian market today, so what we're expecting, you will see members only post, support, resistance, some trade ideas. So I just post support, resistance, when to buy, when to sell. I'm not giving real-time buy and sell alert, but again I'm giving you trade ideas, the support, resistance and everything. Is it a good time? So you can see how I have been doing it. So anyway, if you want, you are welcome to join the community, talk with other community members. You pay only $3 per month, which is roughly 10 cents per day. So anyway, it's up to you, but at least subscribe to my channel if you want. So I'm showing you a one-day candle here. So basically you can see how things are moving, and I have two lines here. One is The green line is the 100-day moving average and the purple line is 200-day moving average. And let's see where we are sitting at this moment. So if you see here, the share price has been coming down, and whenever it go and hit the moving average line, it could be 100 or 200, it comes down. Especially look at the green line, which is the 100-day moving average. It goes, hit and come back again, tries to break it, again comes back. Just look at these numbers. Now let's zoom and let's see what's happening in recent days, right? So these are the latest price action, and aftermarket this is sitting at 2.89. So let's say 2.9. So the green line 100-day moving average is around 3.5 and the 200-day moving average is around 2.9, and aftermarket we just stopped at 2.9. So one thing could be this is the bottom, because maybe it will just bounce back from 200-day moving average and it will go bounce back up. Because if you look at the chart again, 200-day moving average was acting like a resistance in many points. Look at the purple line, it goes there, it hits and come back, again goes there, hits and come back. So again, just showing you the long term how the things are moving. So if you think this is a good time, maybe you enter, you might see a bounce, or if situations are really bad, it might come down. I'm going there again as well. Now look at the chart. I'm starting with a monthly chart just to give you a sense that how that thing was moving. You can see it was way up at one point. So it was at one point in 2013, 15, 16, it was around 70, 80 area. Then in recent days, it was coming down, down, down. And what happened? Look in 2020. Maybe I'll just move to a weekly chart just to give you a sense that the potential, or you can say what happened. So look at this area, which was around August 2019, December, January 20, just before the COVID. The price was around 25, 26, 30 area. Then after the COVID, you see the drop. It came down all the way to $7. It went up, but it was coming down, down, down. Then it was moving between $1, $2, this range, right? So what happened? You see the recent days, lots of volumes are coming, and because of the volume, this thing was rising and people made a lot of money. And I also talked a little bit about AHT because I was not playing, but you see this thing was around 1.88, went all the way to 7.8. Excellent gain, 3 times, right? Went up and it was coming down anyway. The chart was looking like this, but what happened? Now the news came. So let's look at a daily level now. What is happening here? Just look what was happening. So first of all, just look at the chart here. So it has some kind of support around 6.1, let's say $6 support. Then it broke through, it came down, but how far it came down? It came and found a floor around 1.88, but more obvious floor was around 2.28. You see it was bouncing here, 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 here. So 2 points seems like a good support, and it tried to went up, but it could not, and it is coming down. So I'm just drawing the lines for you so that you know if you're planning for a swing trade. Then another resistance was around 5.3. It could not break, it came down, and another resistance I would say around this area. You can see clearly that some kind of resistance, or maybe I can come a little down, because you see here resistance here, 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 and maybe we will have here. So what is the line here? This line is around 3.7, but we know it came below $3 aftermarket. So where we are sitting now, we are sitting around 2.9, around this area. So why this area is important? Not very strong, but again you see some kind of resistance, then again some kind of support. We will see. So if things are good, maybe this thing will bounce back from 2.9, it will move towards again 3.5 or $4, or things are really bad, this thing can break through 2.9 and came down all the way to 2.28. Now if you want to get in, you have to decide what you want. If you are here for swing trade, do not go with a full position, because this thing can bounce from 2.9. Yeah, then you can make from 2.9, you can go all the way to 3.9. It will be nice gain. Or you buy with some amount. If you see it is coming down, maybe you can buy more around 2.28 or 1.88. Look at the chart how far it came down, but it found a support around 2.3 and 1.9, this area. So this is the area. If things are really bad, this thing can even come down. Otherwise, maybe a good opportunity for making some money. Also look at here, they have an earning, they have an expected earning date on 28th of July, and today is 5th of July. and also I'm going to talk about this. Now let's look at the bar chart. What was the volume? So last Friday the volume was 63 million, and in general the average volume is 46 million. So it has more volume, but it was coming down. If you go to Nasdaq, what does it say? It says it has a buy rating. You see the name here, with the average price target of 4.6, with a high of 6 and a low of 3, and the current price is below $3. And this is something you need to know, what is AHT, because this is a stock. This is a stock which will be doing better and better as the reopening is happening. So that is why it was going up once the reopening started happening, and you see the massive rally, right? It started the massive rally from $2, it went all the way to $7. So that's the thing. This is the price target from Nasdaq, not from me, the Nasdaq. So if you think their analysis is correct, then definitely it can go all the way to $4, $5. But anyway, it is currently below $2. If it goes to $3 even, that's a 50% gain. Also, some other news. Look at the July 1st report. It talks that between May and June, the short interest declined by 41%. So declined by 41%. It means that the short positions were closed. Also, look at the other one, the earning. There is the earning, and what is the expected earning is minus 0.22 earning per share, and the expected date is, I think, July 28. Again, if the earning is good, this thing can run. But anyway, I'm not looking towards the earning. I'm just looking here for a quick swing trade. I might not enter right away pre-market. I just want to see how people will react. But definitely after hour was 27%, a massive drop. So definitely, if you want, just get in around 2.9. It is some kind of a support area. So 2.9 and ride the wave towards 3.5 or 3. If it comes down, just buy more. At the same time, I'm showing you the chart here because I think when you look at the 200-day moving period, you see the purple line here. This is the 200, which is around $3 area. So again, if you buy something at a 200-day moving period, definitely this is not a bad buy, because this is the price for last 200-day moving average. So anyway, my friend, so this is the overall chart. You can see, so the price was around this area. It was coming down, then it just started getting up, and the company came up with the news. And again, so many articles here and there. So here I'm only for making some swing trade. I'm not going to do any long-term investment, and just wanted to share this news because some people are saying buy the dip. Some people are saying, oh, this is a falling knife, do not get in. You have to make your own decision, but I thought maybe sharing the support resistance level was important so that you can make a quick money. And here we are all here for making some quick profit. So anyway, my friend, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to join my community. We can all make some money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.